Is there feedback? Is there feedback? Oh yeah. Is there feedback? Oh yeah. Look, it's me. Wow. No one's here. But me. Hi. Oogity boogity. I'm scared to see what happens if I remove myself. Oh, there's only one person on here. That's me. And now they're on because that was me. I'm gonna go piss. Okay. I'm watching an old live stream of myself. Because I can.
California. Good morning. I am a random person that you don't know because this is my first video. I've had multiple channels before, 5, 13. Shouldn't say that. But, and have events my own violence. I know you don't care about that. But, and so I'm trying to say that because my mom doesn't fucking know. So if you remember I made about 2 years for a goofy little fun time. So yeah, started, which is I'm gonna release the wolf on my ex. I don't know how to do with the computer as me, so I'm gonna pull it back actually. Look, it's you. I'm working on this. If I flipped a coin right now, I'd have about the same odds of it being heads as I would for the person watching this video to be some form of queer. I've had a sneaking suspicion for a while now that my audience is much more gay than average, so I did a community poll, and these were the results. I don't know how this happened. I'm like the straightest guy you can get. To be fair, I have been mistaken for gay because I got that bare physique, but I like girls. And you might be like, well, Johnny, it's only half the audience. Well, here's how the graph is supposed to look. Notice how this says 96%? Where did all of you come from? Now, I'm not complaining. I'm just confused. Guys, am I gay? YouTube! If I flip the... Using this filter to see if... A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and Y. Alright, whatever, no sweat, I'll just get some from Bridget. Have you ever wondered what the strongest tornado to affect your state was? For some states, the answer is pretty obvious and well known, but for others, the answer isn't as clear. In this video, we're going to be going through the tornado history of every U.S. state, taking a look at the strongest tornado to have occurred within each state's lines. And make sure you stay tuned because there are certainly some surprises on this list. Let's begin with the F0 or EF0 states, or state I should say. Alaska is not surprisingly the only U.S. state that strongest tornado on record was either an F0 or EF0. This is due to Alaska's very rugged terrain and typically frigid climate, which is not favorable at all for thunderstorm or tornado development. In fact, you can count all of the tornadoes that have ever happened in Alaska on just about 2 hands. Moving on to the F1 and EF1 states, we kind of have to bend the rules a little because there is no state with this being the highest rating, so we'll include the U.S. territory of Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico has had a handful of tornadoes over the years, with somewhere in the ballpark of 2 dozen being recorded, along with many waterspouts. As for F or EF1s, it has seen 5, which occurred on June 7, 1962, May 5, 1969, August 29, 1974, May 1, 2022, and finally June 16, 2023. Interestingly, Puerto Rico is no stranger to thunderstorms, but tornadoes are rare because that area typically lacks the low-level winds that cause thunderstorms to spin and then produce tornadoes. Continuing on to the F2 and EF2 category, we have 4 states and 1 district. We might as well stay with the island theme for now and add Hawaii to the list. Since 1950, Hawaii two of them on February 11, 1982, and one on March 18, 1982. In terms of specific weather conditions, Hawaii is similar to Puerto Rico.
Giggity wiggity biggity boo. I'm about done with you.